Hi everybody, this is the left-handed shooter. Today we're going to do a video on my J-22 disassembly. I was asked if I could make a video how to take it apart and reassemble it. So that's what I'm going to do. First, let's take a look at this little guy. First, let's clear it. Okay, there's that. And she's empty. All right, this is the Jennings J-22, aka Saturday Night Special. Anyways, so when you want to take this gun apart, first off, take your mag out and clear it. And what you're going to do is, this is not a loaded chamber indicator. When your gun is cocked, you can see a little pin at the end of this. So what you're going to do is you're going to need to have a special tool to remove things. So what we use is just a big ballpoint pen. And what you're going to do is you're going to, as you can see here, this will just push in, and there's like underneath here there's like a groove. Pull back, you got to feel that groove, and she'll lift right out. Okay, so you pull this pin out, and here's that groove thing I'm talking about right here. Then you'll pull the gun apart. There's your spring. This is what she looks like inside. Actually, she could use a little bit of a cleaning, but I'm not going to do that today. Okay, so basically that's all there is for disassembly. And then, and to put the thing back, put in the reverse order, just bring back on, put that into there. Here, let's see here. Come on. Okay. Then you're going to put your spring back in here. Oops. Okay. Back in. What's going on here? There we go. And there she is, all put back together. Like that. And as you can see, when I just cocked it just now, here's that indicator. So, if you got any more questions on this gun, or if you want to see any other guns that I have disassembled, just let me know in the comments. So remember to like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. And remember, let's go Brandon. Later, guys. Catch you on the next one.